Hello, I'm Mansa, Principal Architect at Arna. I have been collaborating with Elements since the last 7 years on various projects where we worked on kitchens, modular wardrobes, and a lot more modular components in our project. And we also designed their showroom, origami, the paper folding art. That was the main inspiration. If you see the showroom, how the panels travel along the ceiling, and what we have experienced in this industry is that the samples are really small. They're 3 to 4 inches size only, which doesn't give a customer or a layman an experience of how the material is. So when I was explaining this idea to Manidhar Garu that let's have the samples on a larger scale on the ceilings and as partitions, he immediately got on board and painstakingly executed our ideas, and it has won some accolades at a national level. I think there's one memorable experience with Manidhar Garu and Shiprakash Garu that whenever we wanted to try something new with in terms of technique or materials and finishes, they're always willing to experiment and bring out something new in their products. When it comes to timelines, I think from the factory end, they are always maintaining the date that is given when we sign off for an order. I've never faced an issue where timelines are problematic with them, to be honest. I was actually introduced to Manidhar Garu by a client, and I was surprised to see the number of finishes that they offer in wardrobes and all back then in I think 2016 or 17. And we started working, post that, we started working on a project where we wanted to sandwich canvas between glass panels, making it like shutters for a puja space. And I remember they got on board with the idea, and it was a little experimental. It took us time, but it turned out well. I think that's what really got me connected to them, and I said I must work with them because they're always trying to achieve something new along with us. So you all must visit the showroom. Yes, they have a lot to offer.